Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video, I am going to discuss you about an interesting and a unique AI tool. So where you can automate your research paper writing. So if you are struggling to write a research paper or struggling to find an ideas related to your research paper writing, so this tool will be very helpful for you to automate your writing. Thereby you can get an idea how to proceed further in your research. So let us go on to today's video and explore that AI tool and how it will works out for our research paper writing. So moving on to our today's video, the AI tool what we are going to discuss today is that Jotbot. So writing and research without the busy work. So here this is the dashboard of this Jotbot. So here you will be given daily credits. There are 10 credits you will be getting for free. So here you can see that document actions 1 credit, generate outline 1 credit, generate draft 2 credits, video summary 4 credits. So this is how the credit is classified. So here you will be having an option called a new document, a new draft, a new generation. So you can use this option called new document, receive AA as you write, AA help as you write. So just click on the new document. So it leads to a dashboard like this here. So in this you can add the source and you can improve your document. You can add any source, or else you can give the title whatever you want. For example, I am going to give you a title called Machine Learning Algorithms and its Applications. So like that I am going to give an input here. So after that so here you can see that our content has started to generate. So machine learning algorithms have a wide range of applications including image recognition, natural language processing, predictive analysis and automated decision making. So if you are satisfied with this content, so you can just click on if you accepted that, so you can click on add tab. So after clicking tab, automatically the content will be generated. So you can read sentence by sentence, or else you can improvise the sentence also. So these algorithms enable computer to learn data, computers to learn from data, identify patterns and make predictions without being explicitly programmed. So if you are satisfied, again you can give tab here. So here another important unique option is that so you can ask AI to write it as a sentence or a paragraph or a introduction or a conclusion. So here I am going to give it as a write an introduction. So here you can use this kind of option to write an introduction using AI also. So here an introduction will be written like this. So you can add like that is you can add the content as like we have done before. So just by clicking Ctrl J, so automatically the content will be added. So or else so you can use this AI option and you can ask AI to generate the content for you. So also this kind of option is very helpful for you to AI commands, click AI commands or hit Ctrl J to use an AI command. So you can also use AI commands to highlight a text to make edits. So this is how you can generate your document using this particular tool. So here if you want to write a paragraph, so you can just write a paragraph. Automatically the AI will analyze that particular topic and it will generate a paragraph for you. So here you can see one of the most prominent applications of machine learning. This is in the field of computer vision. Machine learning algorithms can be trained on large data sets of images to recognize and classify objects, faces and scenes with high accuracy. So like that paragraph will be generated. So after if you want to write something else, so you can just give on Ctrl J. So if you are satisfied with this content, so just click on accept. So automatically AI will start to write for you. So here you can see some of the key applications of the machine learning. So again you can give accept. So again AI will start to write for you. That by step you can analyze the content which is generated from AI, and then again you can generate the content. So this will help you to customize your work, customize the content you are generating from this Jotbot, and it will be very helpful for you to make a quality content, because so for every step you are you are reading the content, so and then you are asking AI to generate again. So this is how you can easily write a content. So even if you want to add your own points, so you can ask AI to add your own points. So this is a chat section, so where you can ask anything to Jotbot. So if you, how can I improve my document, so you can paraphrase your content. So just click on how can I improve my document. So it will give some suggestions to improve your document, how to improve your document. So here you can see that these are some of the suggestions. Add more specific examples and case studies to illustrate the various applications of machine learning. So this will help provide a more concentrated understanding on how machine learning is being used. Expand the potential impact on benefits of machine learning in different industries and domains. Next, include a brief section on the ethical considerations and challenges associated with widespread adoption of machine learning. So like that, so if you can ask any suggestions to this Jotbot also, thereby it will even generate even give suggestions to generate a better content. So you can use the suggestions in this AI command. So use an AI command to generate content for you. So here you can see that. So in this you can give your suggestions, or else whatever if you add any sources, so you can use the option called find sources in this Jotbot also. So this is how you can use this Jotbot to generate a step-by-step content for your academic writing. So or else if you want to generate essays also, so you can use this option. So this is all about this Jotbot writing. These are the unique options available, especially this AI commands. So this AI commands will be very helpful for you to proceed the content even further, or you can improvise the content, or you can customize whatever you want according to the content which is generated by this AI commands. So this is that is a outline of Jotbot. So go on and explore this Jotbot to generate a better content. So as I have already told, so you will be given 10 credits per day for free. So you can use up to 3 sources. So if you want unlimited option, so you have to go for this subscription, that is $14 per month. So unlimited credits, unlimited autocomplete, unlimited sources. So instead of using GenAI kind of tools, so Jotbot will be a better option. So you can use this option and make your writing simple. So you can write smarter, not harder. Hope this video will bring an aware about this Jotbot AI. So go on, explore and make your academic writing and research paper writing simple. So thank you for watching our videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Have a nice day. Thank you.